Okay, so in the previous video we discussed the property which said that if A is a symmetric matrix, then A transpose is A. Okay, so if A is a symmetric matrix, then A transpose is A. That was the property discussed. If A is symmetric, then I would say A transpose is A. Okay, so now we have the next property which says that if A is skew symmetric, then we have A transpose as minus A. If A is skew symmetric, A transpose is minus A. So let us again take an example to understand this. And as I said, we are going to take skew symmetric matrices. Sorry, we are going to take square matrices. Okay, so in skew symmetric matrix, we have discussed this before in the definition when we were discussing definition of all the matrices, that all the diagonal elements must be 0. There is going to be 1, so यहाँ पे हो जाएगा -1. इधर अगर 2 है तो यहाँ पे हो जाएगा -2. यहाँ पे अगर 4 है तो मिरर इमेज हो जाएगा -4. यहाँ पे मिरर इमेज नेगेटिव होना चाहिए. Then I'm going to take the transpose. When I take the transpose, first row will become first column, second row will become second column, third row will become third column. Okay, and then I see this as -1 multiplied to 0 1 2 -1 0 -4 -2 4 0. -1 कॉमन लेंगे तो हर एक एलिमेंट में से हम लोग -1 कॉमन लेंगे. So from every element we are going to take -1 common. And now if you see the matrix A, 0 1 2 0 1 2 -1 0 -1, it's the same. So this is same as -1 into A, right? So A transpose is minus A. A transpose is minus A. So if A is skew symmetric matrix, A transpose is minus A. Okay. A is symmetric, A transpose is A. If it is skew symmetric, A transpose is minus A. Okay. Now the next property, very important one. Every matrix can be written as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Okay, now what does this mean? So let me do this in stepwise. Let us approach to this property. So first is, let us define a matrix X. Now matrix X is A plus A transpose. Okay, see the statement. The statement is every matrix can be written as sum of a symmetric matrix and a skew symmetric matrix. Okay, so I'm writing right now in that step 1, X is A plus A transpose. So if I take a transpose of this matrix, see here again, every matrix, when I say, it is by default, when we are talking about symmetric, skew symmetric things, it is by default I'm going to talk about square matrices. So every square matrix can be expressed as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. So X is A plus A transpose. X transpose is A plus A transpose the whole transpose. Now recently, property number 3, I think so, we have done in the previous video only, that A plus B the whole transpose is A transpose plus B transpose. So I can take it as A transpose plus A transpose the whole transpose. Okay, so I'll take A transpose plus A transpose the whole transpose, and this is also we have done. This is the first property. A transpose the whole transpose can be written as A. So we get A transpose plus A. A matrix multiplication is not commutative, but definitely addition is. And what I get here is, after writing it as A plus A transpose, commutative, law can be used in addition, can't be used in multiplication. So you take A transpose plus A, or you take A plus A transpose, A plus B किया या B plus A किया, दोनों same है. And then finally I come to the conclusion that X transpose is same as X. So X transpose is same as X. उसका मतलब क्या हुआ? उसका मतलब हुआ X is symmetric. X transpose is X, that means X is symmetric. Okay, so that is the first step. So we just now proved that X equal to A plus A transpose, X equal to A plus A transpose is symmetric, where A is a square matrix. Now let us define a new matrix, that is Y. So let us define Y. What is Y? Y is a new matrix. Let us say the new matrix is A transpose A minus A transpose. Okay, it is A minus A transpose. So let us take a new matrix Y, which is A minus A transpose. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take transpose, Y transpose. So Y transpose will be A minus A transpose the whole transpose. Okay, we have done this property. A plus or minus B transpose can be written as A transpose plus or minus B transpose. So what happens here is we get A transpose minus A transpose ka transpose. So A transpose minus the first property says this is A, right? And then I can say it is minus 1 multiplied to A minus A transpose. Minus 1 multiplied to A minus A transpose, and that is minus Y, because Y is A minus A transpose, so A minus Y ho gaya. So what is Y transpose equal to? Minus Y, and therefore we say Y is skew symmetric. Okay, so X is A plus A transpose, which is symmetric. Y is A minus A transpose. It turned out to be skew symmetric. Okay, now what will happen if I add the two matrices? Matrix X, which is A plus A transpose, matrix Y, which is A minus A transpose. If I add them, what I get is 2A, right? So what is A? It is half multiplied to X plus Y. So what is A? X by 2 plus Y by 2. What is matrix A? equal to, it is going to be A plus A transpose by 2 plus A minus A transpose by 2. Okay, where the first one, x, this half doesn't have, if x is symmetric, then you divide by 2, you multiply by k, doesn't matter, it remains symmetric only. So a division by half will not create any problem. You just focus on this. A plus A transpose is going to be the symmetric matrix. You can take the transpose of this matrix and you'll get it as the same. यहाँ पे ट्रांसपोज लेंगे तो उल्टा हो जाता है. See here, A माइनस A ट्रांसपोज में अगर मैंने Y ट्रांसपोज लिया तो नेगेटिव साइन आ जाता है. So A माइनस A ट्रांसपोज is skew symmetric, right? So if you see A, you want to write A as sum of two matrices, that is a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. It is possible. A plus A transpose by 2 will become the symmetric part, and A minus A transpose by 2 will become the skew symmetric part. Okay, so वापस स्टार्ट करते हैं, एक बार देख लेते हैं. A plus A transpose is symmetric. In the previous page I had shown that A plus A transpose is symmetric. X as A plus A transpose लिया, we take the transpose, we find that X वापस आ जाता है, X is symmetric. Then we say Y is A minus A transpose. Y is A minus A transpose में हम लोग ने ऐसा उल्टा करके दिया, माइनस Y आ गया, Y is skew symmetric. X is symmetric, Y is skew symmetric. What is A? It is sum of symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. This can be done for any matrix A. Let us understand this with an example. So कोई भी matrix ले सकते हैं हम लोग. We take a 3 by 3 any matrix. Take it as 4, 1, 0, minus 1, 2, 3. 3, 1, 5. Okay, square matrix लेना है. You can take any matrix, but it has to be a square matrix. So A आ गया 4, 1, 0, minus 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 5. अभी हम लोग फाइंड कर लेते हैं A plus A transpose. So A plus A transpose फाइंड करना है. 4, 1, 0, minus 1, 2, 3, that is A. 3, 1, 5. उसको हम लोग ऐड करेंगे विद द ट्रांसपोज ऑफ ए. ट्रांसपोज में क्या, फर्स्ट रो बिकम्स फर्स्ट कॉलम, 4, 1, 0 आ जाएगा. सेकेंड रो विल बिकम सेकेंड कॉलम, माइनस 1, 2, 3 आ जाएगा. थर्ड रो विल बिकम थर्ड कॉलम. एंड व्हेन वी ऐड A plus A transpose, we're going to get 4 plus 4, 8, 1 minus 1, 0, 3 हो जाएगा 0, 2 plus 2 हो जाएगा 4, 3 plus 1 हो जाएगा 4, 3 plus 0 हो जाएगा 3, 1 plus 3 हो जाएगा 4, 5 plus 5 हो जाएगा 10. 8, 4, 10 becomes the diagonal. Okay, 4 to 5, 4 to 5 add हो जाएगा, and बाकी you can see 0, 0, 3, 3, 4, 4. Symmetric. So वो आने ही वाला है. A plus A transpose we have proved by theory before only that it is going to be a symmetric matrix. Okay, next is A minus A transpose. So A is 4, 1, 0 again, minus 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 5, that is matrix A. From that we are going to subtract the transpose. So 4, 1, 0, first row first column बन जाएगा, minus 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 5. So when we subtract 4 minus 4, 0 हो जाएगा. देखो diagonal elements, 2 minus 2, 0 हो जाएगा. 5 minus 5, जीरो हो जाएगा, डायगोनल एलिमेंट सीधा जीरो हो जाएगा. देन वी हैव 1, माइनस ऑफ -1 हो जाएगा +1, 1 +1 हो जाएगा, वी आर गोइंग टू गेट इट एज 2, 0 - 3 इज -3, -1 - 1 is -2, 3 - 1 वी आर गोइंग टू गेट इट एज 2, 3 - 0 हमको मिलेगा 3, 1 - 3 हमको मिलेगा -2. We have proved by theory, by the laws of transpose, and now we are seeing it also in the example that A minus A transpose जो है वो हम लोग को मिल रहा है skew symmetric. Okay, so as discussed before कि हम लोग कोई भी मैट्रिक्स को लिख सकते हैं एज सम ऑफ सिमेट्रिक एंड स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्राइसेस. सो ए प्लस ए ट्रांसपोज ए माइनस ए ट्रांसपोज हम लोग यूज़ करेंगे. सो व्हाट इज ए? इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी ए प्लस ए ट्रांसपोज बाय 2 प्लस ए माइनस ए ट्रांसपोज बाय 2, दैट इज ए. देखो ए ट्रांसपोज कट हो जाता है, कॉमन डिनोमिनेटर ए ट्रांसपोज कट हो जाता है, व्हाट यू गेट इज 2a/2a, दैट इज LHS. So a can be written as a plus a transpose by 2 plus a minus a transpose by 2. बट क्या होता है, a plus a transpose जो है वो अपना सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स बन जाता है. सो a को हम लोग ने कन्वर्ट किया टू a plus a transpose और हम लोग को सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स क्या मिला है, 8 0 3 0 4 4 3 4 10 प्लस हम लोग को मिलेगा हाफ ऑफ ए माइनस ए ट्रांसपोज, क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स 0 2 -3 -2 0 2 3 -2 0. Okay, and we can push that half inside. Every element can be divided by 2. 4 0 3/2 0 2 2 3/2 2 and 5 plus we have 0 1 -3/2 -1 0 1 3/2 -1 0. और ये दोनों मैट्राइसेस है, ये वाला हो गया सिमेट्रिक, यू कैन सी दैट 0 0 3/2 3/2, और ये वाला हो गया स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक. ये दो मैट्राइसेस है जिनको आप ऐड करोगे तो आ जाएगा A. So A has been split up into two matrices. This matrix A we have split up into two matrices. First one is symmetric. The second one is skew symmetric. So every square matrix can be written as sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. I hope it is clear. If you add these two matrices, check 4 0 4 हो जाएगा, 0 1 1 हो जाएगा, 3/2 -3/2 0 हो जाएगा. You add these numbers, add these matrices, and you will find out that it is A. Okay, so that is how it is. That is how it works. So every matrix can be written as sum of two matrices, one symmetric, other skew symmetric. We proved by theory also, we have taken an example also now. So let us quickly revise the properties. Okay. Let us quickly revise the properties. Property number 1, we started with A transpose, the whole transpose as A. Okay, so when you take the transpose twice, you're going to get the same matrix back. Second we discussed was K times A the whole transpose is K times A transpose. So स्केलर को मल्टीप्लाई करो A के साथ, मैट्रिक्स A के साथ, फिर ट्रांसपोज लो, या फिर ट्रांसपोज ले लो मैट्रिक्स का, उसके बाद स्केलर से मल्टीप्लाई करो, फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, रिजल्ट विल बी द सेम. थर्ड इज वी डिस्कस्ड ए plus or minus b the whole transpose is a transpose plus or minus b transpose. Fourth is ab the whole transpose reversal law b transpose a transpose. इसमें डायरेक्ट अभी हम लोग ने ये थियरी प्रूव करने के लिए भी वी हैव यूज दिस प्रॉपर्टी. Directly transpose we can put it inside, and यहाँ पे this is called as the reversal law. AB the whole transpose is B transpose A transpose. उल्टा हो जाएगा, B comes first, then comes A. Then we have fifth. A transpose is equal to A if A is symmetric. If the matrix A is symmetric, A transpose is A. A transpose is minus A if A is skew symmetric. A transpose is minus A if A is skew symmetric. A can be written as sum of symmetric and a skew symmetric, every square metric. So this I'm talking about all the square matrices. This particular three properties we are symmetric and skew symmetric वाला we are talking about square matrices. बाकी यहाँ पे कोई भी matrix चलेगा, 1 2 3 4 में कोई भी order का matrix चलेगा. 5 6 7 जहाँ पे हम लोग symmetric और skew symmetric matrices की बात करते हैं, वहाँ पे हम लोग को square matrix ही लगेगा. So these are the 7 properties. इसमें से ये वाला पार्ट हम लोग बोलते हैं is a symmetric matrix का पार्ट. This is a symmetric matrix. और ये वाला हम लोग बोलते हैं skew symmetric matrix. Symmetric, skew symmetric. Okay. So these are the properties which you will have to remember to solve the MCQs properly. There are many more properties coming ahead, but this has to be remembered as time saving results as shortcuts. Thank you.